Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix media storage keeps stopping on Samsung. Alright, let's begin. First, open Settings on your Samsung phone and scroll down and open Apps. Tap the filter icon, enable Show System Apps and press OK. Next, search for Media Storage and open it. Now tap on Storage, then select Clear Cache followed by Clear Data and confirm both options. Go back and tap Force Stop. After that, return to the Apps page, tap the three-dot menu, and choose Reset App Preferences. Confirm by tapping Reset. Once that's done, go back to Settings, use the search bar, and search for Reset. Open the Reset menu, tap Reset All Settings, then select Reset Settings to confirm. Wait for the process to finish, then restart your phone. So that's basically how you can fix media storage keeps stopping on Samsung. And that's it for this video. Thanks!